You're the CFO of your company with the world on your shoulders. Your budget is your promise. You have multiple stakeholders to answer to, but you're accountable for the budget. Currently, you use Excel to process all the budgeting data from your various operations and departments. You need to consolidate the data and report on it. But it's a lot of data. Data from local, regional, and departmental levels, potentially in multiple currencies and multiple languages. You listen to your regional sales team. You get input from all these sources. And then the corporate finance and admin send it all back to you and your team for further consolidation and merging. And then there's those last-minute changes. All this input is shuffled back and forth. This whole process is very time-consuming, costly, and prone to errors. What if you could leverage the power and familiarity of Excel and be able to control, audit, and secure your enterprise budgets and forecasts in half the time that it currently takes you using Excel, giving you more time to analyze and strategize. Most of all, avoid surprises. Introducing True Sky, simplifying the budgeting and forecasting process for companies using Excel.